Angle BAC equals 90 degrees. AB equals AC. Point P is above BC. Angle APB equals 45 degrees. PC equals CB equals 2√5. Find PA. This video contains the following sections: reading the problem carefully and understanding it, developing a plan to solve it, solving the problem, thinking about it further, and try to apply the approach to other problems. Near the end of the video, there's an additional question which can be solved using a similar approach to that used for solving the specific problem. If you find these helpful, please subscribe to the channel for notification of new videos by pressing the video watermark in the right-hand corner of the video player. Angle BAC equals 90 degrees. AB equals AC. So triangle ABC is an isosceles right-angled triangle. Angle APB equals 45 degrees. PC equals CB equals 2√5. Find PA. PA is contained in triangle PAB, triangle PAC. To find PA, focus on triangle PAB. Angle APB is known. AB can be worked out from BC. The hypotenuse of triangle ABC. If angle PBA, or the base angle, angle PBC, can be worked out, angle PBA equals angle PBC minus 45 degrees. Then PA can be worked out using the sine law. If PB can be worked out, then PA can be worked out using the cosine law. In triangle CPB, only two sides are known. It seems not easy to work out the base and/or the base angles directly. Focus on triangle PAC. PC is known. AC can be worked out from BC. How to work out PA? It's not easy to work out PA from PC and AC directly. We can rotate triangle PAC so that we can find out how the base of triangle CPB is related to the other sides. Rotate triangle PCA 90 degrees counterclockwise about A. Triangle PCA is rotated to triangle P-BA. Angle PAP dash equals 90 degrees. P dash B equals PC equals 2 root 5. PA equals P dash A. Connects PP dash. Triangle PAP dash is an isosceles right-angled triangle. So PA squared plus P dash A squared equals P dash P squared. Let PA equal x. We have 2x squared equals P dash P squared. Angle AP dash P equals angle APP dash equals 45 degrees. So angle BPP dash equals angle APB plus angle APP dash equals 45 degrees plus 45 degrees equals 90 degrees. So triangle PP dash B is a right-angled triangle. P dash P squared plus PB squared equals P dash B squared. Substitute P dash P squared from equation 1. We have 2x squared plus PB squared equals 2 root 5 all squared equals 20. So equation 2 shows how base PB and PC are related. Focus on triangle ABC. AC squared plus AB squared equals CB squared, because AB equals AC. So 2AB squared equals CB squared equals 2 root 5 all squared equals 20. AB squared equals 10. Focus on triangle PAB. AB squared equals PA squared plus PB squared minus 2PA times PB. Cosine 45 degrees. 10 equals x squared plus PB squared minus 2x times PB root 2 over 2. X squared plus PB squared minus root 2 PBx minus 10 equals 0. From equation 2, PB equals root of 20 minus 2x squared. Substitute it in equation 3. We then have x squared plus root of 20 minus 2x squared all squared minus root 2 times root of 20 minus 2x squared times x minus 10 equals 0. 10 minus x squared equals root 2 times root of 20 minus 2x squared times x Squaring both sides, we have 100 minus 20x squared plus x to the power of 4 equals 40 x squared minus 4x to the power of 4. 5x to the power of 4 minus 60x squared plus 100 equals 0. Simplifying, we have x to the power of 4 minus 12x squared plus 20 equals 0. X squared equals 12 plus minus root of minus 12 all squared minus 4 times 20 over 2, which is equal to 12 plus minus root 64 over 2, which is equal to 12 plus minus 8 over 2. So x squared equals 10, or x squared equals 2. Because PB equals root of 20 minus 2x squared. So PB equals 0 when x squared equals 10, which is false, as point P is above BC. So x squared equals 2. X equals root 2, so PA equals root 2. Think about the thought process for the previous question further and try to apply the approach to other problems, such as this one. Angle ACB equals 90 degrees. AC equals BC. Points DE are on AB such that AD equals 20. Angle DCE equals 45 degrees. EB equals 15. CF is perpendicular to AB. Find CF. You can write your answers in the comments section if you like. Can you think of other problems that can be solved using a similar approach? Thank you for watching. Hope you found this video helpful. See you next time.